Hello, this is Greg. Today I have a voltage and current signal generator user. Well, this is the user's manual. This is the guy right here. Purchased it through Temu. Paid $16.80 with $2.99 shipping. I'm in the United States. What do we have here? This is the whole. This is all of it right here. Um, and here we go. I'll show you how it works. I've been messing with it, so let's see if I can remember what I did last time. I have my Zoe out, and let's go ahead, and we're set up for voltage. Now it has 6 outlets. These last 3 are for input. I'm only using it for a calibrator, so I'm only going to use the ground, voltage, and current. So I hook my multimeter up to the black and the red. Turn this on, and we are set to voltage. Can we come down a little more here? And how about turn off a light? Well, that's a little bit better. Turn off another light. Okay. All right. We can see that okay. What do we got? Do a little focus. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so it's putting out right now. I have it set for 5 volts. If you want to change where you have it set, just change wherever and give it a push. And it's 640, and then when you turn it off, turn it back on again, it comes to 640. I'm going to start at 5, and we'll go over here to volts, and we have and 5 volts. And this is a Zoe ZT219. I've been watching a lot of videos about people using a freshly calibrated fluke to check these Zoes and other meters too. But the Zoe seems to do really good for a $30 meter. And so I bought this to just kind of verify that mine was, I'm trusting that this is calibrated correctly. And between the two of them, it's looking pretty good. So let's go up to 10, just because that's as high as this will go. 10. Okay, now let's test some common voltages, which 9 volts. That's pretty good, 9. And then what's next? 6 volts. 6 volts. And the reason why I think this is important is that if I'm testing something and it says it needs 5 volts and that says 4.8, that it's probably got low voltage. And then we'll go down here to 3 volts, or 3.3 volts. Ooh, look at that, 00. 3 volts. Why? Again, oh, it switched. All right, now let's go down to 0. And it says minus 2.8, so that's probably probes, maybe. 10. 0.16. And if you add in that, what was that on the probes? Was that like 25? Say, call it 30 for easy math. And if we add 30 to that, we are at 93, 94, 994. So, all right. Go up the other way. About 0.8. And again, if you add the extra, and then 1.8. These are like on chipsets on motherboards. You need to be able to read voltages low. Okay, so let's shut this off. Let's go ahead and change. Now I have to change to the current range. So put that into the current range. sure that other wire doesn't touch anything. Then we are going to move to milliamps here. Change the probes to here. Boom, boom, boom. See if I get this right the first time. And current. 20. Now we're in milliamps. 0 to 22. It only goes to 20. So I don't know what that is. That's just what it's got. That's what I got. So let's go down to, say, 15. You see all this still good? Yeah. How about 10? So, yeah, looking good. All right, so let's, I'm going to try a different meter. So I'm going to turn this one off. I'm just going to leave that set up. Pull these probes out of this one. And we'll just set Zoe up there. Oops, not that. And we'll set this guy in. And the common here. And we're in milliamps. So here, I guess we're not really concerned about how to use the multimeter. We're worried about the how it reads. So then let's turn this on to milliamps, and it goes straight to 10.02. Now let's take this up to 15, see what it looks like. 15.0, go up to 20. And 20.05. Boy, I'm very impressed with this. This is another, it's a $30 meter, around 30 bucks. So let's switch over to, let me turn this off, and we'll switch over to volts, and switch this to volts, turn this back on, and switch it to current, and current. Straight up, well, 5.019. So let's, well, we'll start backwards. We'll go up to 10. How does this read? The max, 10.04. Let's go down to 9 volts. Okay, good. 6 volts. Got 6 volts, good. I'm liking that it actually hits the number. That, you know, it says 5, not 4.99. I'd rather have a little over, just for clarity. 3.3. Good. Oh, and 3. Good. Let's go down to 0. And this one says minus 0.005. Okay, let's go 10. So if we had the 5 back, that's 10. That's exact. 20. Again, if we add the 5. 30. That'll put us 1 over. A 0.001 over. I think that in my little backyard electronics shop, that's going to be just fine. Now that's a little further off there. So it'd be 9. Well, it'd still hit it, wouldn't it? Okay. 5. Okay. Look at this. Yeah. 6. All right. Yeah, that's good. All right. So anyway, some of the things that I figured out while I was reading the directions. You want to make sure you got a green light on your battery. And it does have a battery inside, but you can also use it with a USB, a micro USB, one of these little guys right here. And it will just come on immediately when you plug it in. So yeah, for 16, 19 bucks, for $20, I'm going to go through all of my multimeters and start doing comparisons and see what I find. I hope you found this interesting or helpful in some way. If you are curious as to whether your meter's any good or not, here's a way to verify. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.